Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this used Audi Q5 S-Line. This Q5 is powered by a 2-litre TFSI 265 PS engine with automatic transmission and Quattro all-wheel drive. It's finished in the ultra blue paintwork with S-Line styling. To the side of the vehicle you find the 19-inch alloy wheels, and to the front of the Matrix LED headlights to provide exceptional visibility. Other features on this Q5 include a set of roof rails and rear tinted windows for passenger privacy. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you find the Q5 offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the tow bar. Into your rear seating, and you find the interior to be fitted with a stylish cloth seating, which features a folding armrest and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front sport seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as USB port, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The multifunction steering wheel features controls for your cockpit display and controls for your touchscreen display. Beneath the steering wheel you find your cruise control. Moving on to the touchscreen display, you can tune to FM and DB channels with the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media such as USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay is also available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can also access other vehicle features and settings. Beneath the display you find your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. Audi Drive Select is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. This Q5 comes equipped with front rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Audi Q5 S-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to try a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.